Thank you for watching the presentation of the Vidifox 700 ST provided by Wandin USA, located here in Los Angeles, California. My name is Robin Moore and I'm going to be giving you a quick demonstration of the product. To start off, we're going to be showing you the camera itself, and then we're going to be showing you some of the features. At this point, I'm going to be showing you the PV700ST, and I'm going to be showing you the connectivity. We have a DVI-A port and we have 3 VGA ports. We have an RCA audio out, and we have an RS-232 port. Obviously we have a power port here, and on this side I'm going to be showing you the 2 USB ports. One to connect to your computer, the other for flash drives. The other part of this document camera I'm going to be showing you is the power, which is right here, on off. The document camera is turned on through a button on the side. You have to hold it down for a couple seconds before it turns on. On this document camera you can also see that you can zoom from here, and you've got autofocus here, and you can switch between your various resources, between your Windows, your Apple computer, or your other resources that you want to switch to. Vidifox 700 ST is unique in that it has a 7-inch screen, LCD screen, that provides functionality that no other document camera provides on the market. This document camera can be used with or without a computer. This document camera is controlled through a virtual keypad, LCD panel, virtual keypad, and a remote control. We are now talking about the functionality of the 7-inch LCD screen. First thing I'm going to be showing you are the tools on the far right hand side. The upper tool is a pen. I'm going to touch it. I'm going to hit red as a color, and I'm going to hit the thin ink, and we're just going to make an arrow right there. The next tool is a highlighter. We can make that thick, and we can make that yellow, and we can highlight on this integral calculus equation. The third button is erase all, and another button, which I should have employed initially, is, let's just write, use the highlighter here. We can use an individual eraser. We can make that eraser thick or thin. This arrow is a pointer. The next thing we want to talk about on the 7-inch LCD screen virtual keyboard are the system settings. I'm going to touch the button here that is a gear, and we're going to see that under images you can control various functions that can be found within the user manual. Effects, the same thing. Several functions can be controlled by the user manual. System setting. Screen calibration is important. If it ever comes out of calibration, which it shouldn't, you can recalibrate. I need to explain that. Information here. Video resolution, it just tells you what you're working with and what the settings are. And picture is more advanced password settings, system updates that you can control, that can be found within the user manual. Just one more thing on the virtual panel. Under the system settings, you can either save or not save annotations. You can save up to 400 annotations, but you have to remember to turn the annotations on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the annotations on, which is going to enable me to explain in further detail other functionality. Zoom functionality is controlled on the document camera itself. Zoom up, zoom down. We're zooming up to 96 times zoom, 8 times optical, 12 times digital. I'm aligning what I'm wanting to look at. So we're still into the optical mode. Now we're getting into the digital mode. Keep going. Auto's focus, keep on going. Autofocus, keep on going up to 96 times zoom. I would like to now explain the virtual keypad. The virtual keypad is the third button in the upper left hand corner. You need to touch the screen, touch the virtual keypad. Split screen, title screen, bright, less bright, freeze, rotate, focus if for some reason it becomes out of focus, save, lamp, mirror, picture-in-picture, negative, recall, and exit. So just let me show a couple of the functions here. The rest you can discover in the keyboard. I'm going to zoom. As you can see, we've done a split screen here. So we're going to look at a little bit more detail. It gives you two perspectives of one image. Unzoom. Okay, disable the split screen. You can have a title screen. You can make it bright, less bright. You can freeze the image. You can rotate the image up to 4 times, 180 degrees, 90 degrees, 270. I'm going to return. Touch the virtual keypad again. You can save. Let's go ahead and make some annotations. I'm going back over to the pen annotation. Pick up a pen. We're going to talk about that, and we're going to pick up a highlighter pen, make that thick, and we're going to talk about this equation right here. Next thing I'm going to do is go back over to the virtual keypad and save the image. It's been saved. Next thing I'm going to do is retrieve the image by hitting recall, and there's the image in the upper left hand corner. Again, up to 400 images can be archived. I'm going to return again, pick up the virtual keyboard again. You can make it, if you're looking at a transparency, something like that, you can look at the negative aspect of the image. And let's get rid of the negative. You can look at the mirror image if you want to, if some functionality requires that. You could turn off the lamp, you could turn on the lamp. And by the way, the lamp has LED lights that last up to 10 years and are very easily replaced. There's one function that I need to explain in greater detail. That's the title screen. It could be very helpful in the classroom if you want to set up a title and show your work below it and save that. So let me go ahead and pick up the tools. I'm going to hit the title button, and I've gone ahead and saved the United States of America. I'm going to remove the $5 bill, and as you can see, the United States of America is up above. We can move that image down, up, we can enlarge it, or we can make it smaller. Here we're looking at the back of a $5 bill. We're looking at states. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more. It's probably about 90 times zoom there. I'm going to wave my hand across, which can sometimes be annoying, or if you move the object, it can be annoying. So what you'll need to do is pick up the tools again, and you're going to need to freeze the object. Once you freeze the object, you can move it all you want, but it is static, and you can save it or annotate on it and be done with it.